I'm setting up to film and I got a little visitor. He tried to crawl on the chainsaw. I don't like these guys. Thank goodness the ones around here are not poisonous, but I just want to see where he goes and gets out of the way. I think he went under the tree. I just don't want him in my stuff. I have to move it again. But yeah, you see that little thing, the tree? I'd rather see a bunny. Not a way I wanted to start, but I don't remember when I filmed last. I've been down here a couple times since I filmed because I've just been trying to clean out the dirt. Because if I don't have a goat, the only way to get rid of the salmon berries is to pull them, to keep cutting them, to weaken them. And then I just gotta pull them by hand because we're not sure how far, but I am within 250 feet of the creek, so I cannot use any machines. But I've cleared all this out. Well, most of it. There's still stumps that I gotta take care of. But those trees over there, like where the snake was, are the ones I want to fall because there's not a burn ban yet. I'm waiting any day for it to go into effect. So I'd like to clear some branches and get them in the fire. So that guy right there, I think will be the first one. If all goes well, then I'll do that guy. And the one by my chainsaw where the snake was, I don't know if I'm going to take that one down. But then over here I might take these two little ones down. I want to keep those for wild cherries. But those two, I don't need them. But I want to end with those, so if the big alders get caught up, which I hope they don't, but my track record, it's possible. So we'll end up on these two little guys, a little alder and a wild cherry. So let's get to work, and hopefully that little gardener snake is gone now, and I gotta move my stuff because I don't know where these trees are gonna fall. So that's why I have everything over here for now. So let's get to it. I was hoping to cut a bigger face, and I just sharpened my chainsaw, but it seems like I need to sharpen it again, so I'll be right back. It seems pretty sharp still, so I just added some more oil, and hopefully that's all it needs. That doesn't always happen with me, but that's exactly where I wanted it. I didn't want to fall on the camera, but when they're curved like that, I never know where they're gonna go. I don't want to say I'm getting good because then the next one will get caught up. But I gotta clean this one and then on to the next one. I'm feeling good after that. I'm gonna try this guy now. I got the other one out of the way. Took longer than I thought, but still I got it out of the way. Now this guy. And again, I hope the sun's not shining right into the camera. There's the X. Not even close on that side. I need to stop for a second. I'm tired and I want to do it safe, so I just gotta pause for a little bit. Don't want to do something stupid. Let's do it. Two big ones, and I didn't get caught up on nothing. I didn't have to redo the face or the back. I'm pretty stoked. This doesn't happen. If you watch me, this doesn't happen. I'll do great the first one, the second one will get stuck, then I'll move to another one. Then I have to cut it a couple times. But not today. So now I gotta clean this guy up, and then we'll probably cut down the two little guys. I'm pretty happy. After this, it was 40, so now I have 38 to go. One more and I'm past halfway. One or two more, 75. But this is pretty good. So let me clean this up and then we'll do the two little guys. I still need to clean up most of that tree. I got all the branches off, but I want to get a fire started soon. So we're gonna cut these guys down. So this little one and hopefully that little one's kind of in a pile. hungry. I'm over halfway now, only 36 to go. Clean these up, get the fire started, then I'll give you guys an update and we'll see what it looks like after I got 4 trees down successfully today with literally no issues. That is a first. I'm not gonna get cocky and say I'm getting good. I am getting better, but I still got a lot to learn. So I gotta clean up, get the fire going. I'll be back. I'm done for the day. Got them all cleaned up. And it's looking a lot better. And you can see I got a fire going over there. So at least gotta stick around till the fire's out, or I gotta put it out just to be safe. But today was a great day. And as long as it doesn't get too hot, I hope to be back in a couple days so I could get another fire going before I can't do it till September. For those of you guys that watch all the time, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a first timer, I appreciate you. Please click like, subscribe. This girl needs some numbers. Thanks again, guys. You're awesome.